Program Increment, or PI. Planning is a cornerstone event in the Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, that enables multiple Agile teams grouped into an Agile Release Train to align, collaborate, and plan their work for the next 8 to 12 weeks. The lifecycle begins with extensive pre-PI planning preparation, which is essential to ensure a smooth and effective event. Business owners and product management first set the direction by clarifying strategic themes and updating the business context, including market dynamics, customer needs, and company goals. Product managers refine the program backlog, making sure it contains well-defined, prioritized features that provide honestly maximum value. Meanwhile, system architects define the upcoming architectural runway, laying out technical enablers needed to support future development. Teams begin backlog refinement to ensure their user stories are ready for planning. They break down features into smaller stories, estimate them, and flag dependencies on other teams. So, logistical coordination is also key for in-person events. Venue booking, team seating, and supplies must be organized. And for remote events, digital collaboration tools like Miro, Jira, or Zoom must be tested and configured. Once pre-work is complete, the RT gathers for the PI planning event, which usually spans 2 full days. Day 1 kicks off with a business context presentation from executives who explain market conditions, company vision, and strategic intent. Product management then presents the product vision and roadmap, highlighting prioritized features and expected outcomes for the program increment. This is followed by the architecture overview, where system architects discuss key technical decisions, new technologies, and constraints that will shape the work ahead. After these briefings, Agile teams break out into planning sessions, where they create detailed iteration or sprint plans. They assess capacity for each iteration, draft user stories from the program backlog, estimate effort using story points, and begin mapping out inter-team dependencies. Throughout the day, teams coordinate with one another and with subject matter experts to clarify scope, resolve conflicts, and make adjustments. By the end of day 1, teams present their draft plans and key stakeholders provide feedback. Any program risks identified are captured for later discussion using the ROAM technique, which stands for resolved, owned, accepted, or mitigated. On day 2, teams regroup to refine their plans based on feedback. They address unresolved dependencies, adjust sprint backlogs, and re-estimate stories as needed. Business owners work with teams to finalize PI objectives, which summarize the business value the team aims to deliver. These objectives are marked as either committed or uncommitted based on team confidence. Each objective is then assigned a business value score from 1 to 10 by business owners, which will later be used to evaluate delivery performance. Once plans are finalized, the teams hold a confidence vote, where every team member votes on a scale from 1, meaning no confidence, to 5, meaning high confidence. If average confidence is below a threshold, typically 3, the RT conducts further problem solving to address concerns. The day ends with all teams presenting their final plans, objectives, risks, and key dependencies. The Release Train Engineer, or RTE, captures all information in a program board, which visually maps out iterations, milestones, and cross-team dependencies for the Agile Release Train. After the planning event wraps up, the ORT transitions into the post-PI planning phase, where all the plans are consolidated and shared. The RTE finalizes and distributes the program board, making sure there's visibility across teams and leadership. Teams also revisit and clean up their individual backlogs to reflect any new insights or commitments. Product owners and Scrum Masters update their tools like Jira or Rally with the agreed iteration plans and objectives. Key learnings, unresolved risks, and opportunities for improvement are all captured and documented. Stakeholders then review the finalized PI objectives and business value scores, and leadership ensures that alignment exists between business goals and delivery plans. Additionally, plans are made for mid-PI reviews and system demos, and logistics are arranged for the upcoming Inspect and Adapt workshop at the end of the PI. The ART then enters the execution phase of the program increment, where each team begins implementing their iteration plans across 5 to 6 sprints. Agile ceremonies such as daily stand-ups, iteration planning, sprint reviews, and retrospectives continue on a regular cadence. To ensure continuous alignment, the ART holds Scrum of Scrums and PO Sync meetings, where Scrum Masters and product owners from different teams share progress, raise impediments, and resolve cross-team dependencies. Every 2 weeks, the ART conducts a system demo showcasing integrated value delivered by all teams to stakeholders and business owners. This level of transparency allows for timely feedback and course correction. During the PI, tracking progress toward PI objectives is critical. Teams use dashboards and burn-down charts to monitor work completion, while product management and RTEs track delivery against business value commitments. At the conclusion of the PI, the RT holds an Inspect and Adapt, or I&A workshop, which is a structured retrospective at the program level. This event begins with the PI system demo, where the ART demonstrates the actual working software developed during the PI. Metrics such as team velocity, feature throughput, predictability, and defect trends are reviewed. Teams and leaders then participate in a problem-solving workshop, identifying root causes of issues and defining corrective actions. Techniques like fishbone diagrams, 5 whys, or Pareto analysis may be used. The session results in the creation of an improvement backlog, a list of actionable items to enhance team performance, process efficiency, or delivery quality in the next PI. Some of these items may even be prioritized into the upcoming program backlog if they have strategic importance. In summary, the full life cycle of PI planning goes far beyond just a 2-day meeting. It includes weeks of preparation, real-time collaborative planning, coordinated execution, and reflective improvement. The structured cadence of PI planning empowers large organizations to remain agile at scale, fostering alignment, adaptability, transparency, and continuous delivery of value across all teams. It really transforms siloed work into synchronized efforts and turns strategic goals into executable team-level plans, all while keeping the customer at the center.